Look what I got. Look what I got. That's right. She's back. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much to the guys in the service department at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson. Obviously couldn't have done it without you. You guys are great. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
So yeah, while it's fun to ride a road glide, it is so good to be back on my own bike. How many of you can attest to that? I'm about a third of the way through packing for Babe's Ride Out. So I will hopefully I plan to be videoing that as we go down, the days that we're there and on our way back. As usual, it is going to take me a couple of days at least to edit all that footage, so bear with me, guys. It is already in the works, let's put it that way. It's kind of like doing laundry. Putting it in the washing machine and then into the dryer, that's the easy part. When you get it back out and have to fold it and put it away, at least for me, that's the challenging part. And as you're getting ready to pack, if it's for Babe's Ride Out or the rallies coming up, Laconia, Sturgis, just remember that load triangle. You want to keep the heavy stuff down low. Pack only what you need. And if you need to do a dry run to make sure it works, then do that. I like to pack in advance. So ever since my bike's been in the shop, I've been packing a little bit every day. See what I need, see what I don't need, and then pack accordingly. Finishing it all up Thursday night. But by the time you're seeing this, it's Saturday and I'm already there. So if you're at Babe's, be sure and look me up. Irish Bob's sister, aka Dawn, working over at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson. See you soon.